Hiya, I'm Rob, I'm playing Macbeth, and this is a speech where Macbeth is deciding he wants to kill Macduff's family. I really like this speech because it shows Macbeth's lack of compassion at this point in the play. Because killing Macduff's family wouldn't be a casualty of war, it would be a cold-blooded murder. Fled to England. Macduff is fled to England. He'll rue the time that clogs me with this answer. From this time, the very firstlings of my heart shall be the firstlings of my hand. The castle of Macduff I will surprise, seize upon Fife. Give to the edge of the sword his wife, his babes, and all those unfortunate souls that trace him in his line. No boasting like a fool. This deed I'll do before this purpose cool.